Okay, we're here today on RealAgriculture.com with Bettschen from SeedHawk. We're at CropWeek in Saskatoon. Chris, let's talk about seeding systems. Why would a farmer choose to go with an independent opener system?
Well, one of the main benefits of an independent opener system is seed placement. A lot of farmers have trouble with an older frame cultivator type air drill. The cultivator type air drill has a hard time placing all the seeds out of every shank at a consistent depth across the machine, across the field. The independent opener system, which is behind me, has independent, each shank is its own seeding tool. Each shank places the seed and fertilizer in a precise spot, set at the start of the field, and it's maintained throughout the field.
Okay, so how reliable is that? So farmers are really used to kind of setting the depth and sort of, going seeding for the next 2 days. How reliable is this sort of system?
Once it's set, it seeds at the same depth until the grower changes the depth on the drill.
So does it go with the landscape, the topography, or how does it work?
Yes, actually, with the SeedHawk system, there's 18 inches of travel on the seeding tool, so it will follow the contours of land, and it can be 18 inches different than the opener beside it, and they'll still both be seeding at the consistent depth.
Wow. So does it do it through infrared, or how does it manage that?
It's actually all based on hydraulics and pressure. The tire at the back of the machine.
Okay.
That controls your depth, and it controls the depth of the seed and the fertilizer. All it is, the tire follows the contour of the land. The seed knife is right in front of the tire, so the seed knife is always maintaining at a consistent depth relative to the soil.
Okay. And you're able to use any kind of opener that you want, or how does that work?
SeedHawk machines are specific to a SeedHawk opener. We have a single sideband opener, which is on this machine here.
Okay.
And we also have a paired row opener that we call our twin wing opener. So we have the two options for a SeedHawk machine.
Okay. And how in the case of SeedHawk with its independent opener system, how big of a spread can you get? Like as far as the machine itself?
Our large machine is an 85-foot machine on 15-inch centers. We don't sell too many 15-inch center machines. Our most common large machine would be an 84-foot machine with 12-inch centers.
So how many shanks are in an 84-foot machine?
On 12 would be 84 shanks.
Oh, right, yeah. That's amazing.
Yeah, it's quite the machine in the field.
So in a lot of cases, like with a straight cut header on a combine, we only go a certain width because of the topography of the land. So are you telling me in the case of systems like this that we can kind of go at 84 feet even on a rolly land?
Yes, actually, with the SeedHawk system, with the independent openers, each opener will travel and follow the contour of the land. And there's also, on that big of a drill, we call it a 7-plex drill. There's 7 different sections of the frame. So the frame will follow the contour of the land as well as the openers. So between those two, we can maintain a consistent depth across really varied land.
Cool. Well, hey, I really appreciate it today, Chris. Thanks for joining us.